Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-3950 series. What I want to do is to show you how to do the full setup guide for this printer, how to connect this printer and your computer, the full setup guide. So you need to go to Epson website in your country, then you select support, then you type the product name. This printer is ET-3950. Epson EcoTank ET-3950. Select it and it will show you the printer. Then you scroll down, so you select Epson product setup. Then select install. Then go on top and select, double click it to open the file. Epson web installer setup. Then you select yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Then you select yes. Updating. So you can see it's updating. Then read the information. Click open. Switch the location on. Then you select next. Click next to begin. Then you select next. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Then you select OK. Then these are the things we need to do. Scroll down. Agree to terms and conditions. Have you read and accept the software license and agreement? Then you select yes. Then you select next. Check the following. Make sure the printer is turned on. You have finished filling up the ink tank. Yes. Then click next. Setup. Downloading required software. It's now downloading the printer driver. Installing printer driver. Installing scanner driver. And if you look on the printer home screen, will show you Epson Scan 2. So you need Epson Scan 2 for you to do scan to computer. So now it will show you, you need to select the connection method. So we're going to select connect via Wi-Fi network, and they found the device already on the network. Select it, then you select next. Please wait. Setup is in progress. Please wait. It will show you the setup is ticked. Now you select utilities that you need. Scanner utility, manual, Epson photo, required software. Then you select install. The following software you choose to install it now or later. Photo, install it now. Epson Photo Plus, install now. So it will show you the softwares. You will see Epson Manual, Epson Photos, Epson Scan 2. Do not use the printer during ink initialization. Wait until the process is complete. Installation is done. It's now checking the function. Update firmware. Then you select next. When you are ready to start update, select next. Then select finish. Then select skip. Print test page. Printing complete. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer, Epson Connect solution. So this is how to connect this printer, the full setup guide. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer, Epson Connect solution. Go mobile print your photo and document using your smart tablet. Then the next is select next. This is questionnaire, ask letter, exit. Then you select your country, then select OK. It will ask you to register your product. I'm going to skip registration, then select finish. So this is how to connect this printer and your computer, the full setup guide, so that you can do scan to computer. Thank you very much indeed.